Okay, in this video we're going to walk through one of the tutorials. Let's see which one it's going to be here. Just take this first one page presentation. And let's see how that works. Let me adjust my screen here. Alright, it says in this project you'll be making a one-page presentation with graphics, a bit of text, narration, and video. Click on the steps below and be creative. Remember, if you must leave your activity before the end, jump directly to step 8 to save your project. Okay, so let's see how far we get, and then we'll save if we need to. So step 1, write a title. It says create a one-page presentation about where you live. Start by putting a title on your page. To write the title on your page, you must first create a text box. Click on the text box button on the toolbar. So it looks like this. It's got an A. We'll go up and find it on the toolbar right here, and we click on it. And then it says click on the screen near the top of the page and a text box appears. Let's see. Click. There it is. Type something in the text box. I'm not from Iowa. I'm from Illinois. So let me type in Illinois. Okay. More style. Select your text. Click at one end. So I'm going to click here at the end and drag along to the other end, holding the mouse down. So that's, you see how it's all highlighted like that? That means I've got it selected. Then choose font in the text menu, font. And then, oh, I got to scroll a little bit, it looks like here. Let's see. Okay, I have my text selected. I'm going to select font and then select a font, style, and size from the same menu. Look at all these fonts we have to choose from. Let's see. How about, how about Comic Sans bold. How about that? Let's see what that looks like. And then let's make it bigger. Let's see. Size. Let's make it. Oh, that's really big. Let's see. I might have to adjust the size of my text box. Let's see. Also, you can select a color and change the color of your text. Let's make it, oh, and there are different ways to choose a color. You can use a color wheel, color sliders, color palettes, pick a color, a spectrum, or crayons. I'm going to use a palette here. Let's see. I think I want my color to be purple. And I'll say OK. And then it says if the box is too small for your title, select the text box by clicking slightly beside the text box. So not in, up beside it. And drag the mouse. So I'm holding down and dragging. So I get this rectangle here. And then when I lift up, I get these little black squares, these handles, they're calling them, and I drag one until the, oh yeah, and see how the cursor changes to this thing that looks kind of like a cross here. Pull that out. Oh, and there's my text. If you need to move the box, you can drag it by its label, the text 1 label. So, and there I get a hand, and I can drag it around. Very nice. Once you've placed it where you want it, you can right-click on it. So here, let me see. Oh, that was a left click. Let me right click on it. Or I'm holding down the control key. I'm on a Mac. I'm holding down the control key and clicking, and then pick transparent. Oh, and look at that. Very nice. Oh, and I can still move it around, it says. Yeah. There we go. Okay. All right, so let's see what we can do. Okay, so now we have a nice little picture here, and I think what I'm going to do at this point is go back to step 8. I could click through here like this, but I'm going to click the table of contents and go right to step 8 and save my work. So it says right here, File. It says, don't forget to save your work frequently. Choose Save Project in the File menu. Save Project. In the Save dialog box, choose the appropriate directory. Give a name to your project and click Save. So let's see, I already have a BitsAndBlocks1 folder. I'm going to call this, what project do I want to call this? This is my one-page presentation. Okay, so I'll just call it that. And, oh, maybe I should make a folder for demos or something. There we go. Okay, and it says if you have to stop in the middle of the tutorial and you wish to save your work, click on the Back to Welcome screen icon on the toolbar. Oh, that's this guy, I guess. And then MicroWorlds EX asks if you want to save your work and click OK. Oh. The next time you start using MicroWorlds EX, choose Tutorials from the Welcome screen if it isn't already selected. In the menu, click on the icon for this tutorial. Once the tutorial's opening screen appears, click on the step on which you had been working. Next, in the File menu, select Open Project and open the project that you saved. So the next time when we quit out, we can quit out of MicroWorlds. The next time we start up, and we'll walk through this in the next video, we will, click on this so we can get to the tutorial, and then we'll open our one-page presentation project. So we'll do that next time, and then we'll be ready to start on step 2.